have a strategy, you start taking payouts. How do you know when to tweak the strategy versus stay head down, keep trading it, take the loss as well? What are some of the factors that people could check themselves for to say, I might need to adjust and change the way I'm trading? Or, like I said, I got to keep head down and just keep going because I'm taking good trade.
Yeah, I think you do have to continue to adapt, but it's a fine line, just like you said there, right? We can get into this over-optimization, always trying to find a way to do something better. And I think one comes down to looking at things in large sample sizes, right? We suffer from this recency bias as humans as it is. We want to pay attention. We place the most weight on what just happened, the last trade, the last couple days. And we are working in a very random on the short term, consistent on the long term environment. So you got to start with large sample sizes. Tracking your data is going to be key, but I am a believer the market is dynamic. It's going to change. You can get better as you go, but these should be really fine-tuned, minimal changes. It's not throwing everything out the window when you have a losing week and start from scratch with a completely new chart setup and new indicators, as so many people do over and over and over again. Once you start to have some consistency, I think, and just speaking from my experience, and you start to see stuff work, it's this: go back and look, where can I do a little bit more of what's working, a little bit less of what's not, in small doses, looking across large sample sizes. And I think we started on a great topic. Trade management is one of those areas that I think a lot of people can look at. Execution itself, trade management itself.